stop scrolling for a second, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to turn simple text into a professional logo and animate it like a brand intro using AI. No complicated software, no design degree, and no spending hours trying to make things look perfect. In this video, I'll show you the exact prompt formula that lets you generate clean professional logos in seconds, and then I'll show you how to present them in a sleek animated way that you would charge thousands or hundreds of dollars for. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to log on to this tool. The tool is called Flex Clip. It's really amazing. It's currently my favorite AI tool to use, guys. It's really good. If you want to check it out, do go to my description and click on the link there. Now when you log on, you can sign up to this platform for free. It has a free version you can use to try out their different services and tools. So when you come here, ideally you meet yourself on the home page when you first log in. So what you're going to do is you come to this left hand side and then you click on AI tools, then come up to these options up here and click on image. Now you can see you have different versions when it comes to using image, so you just have to pick which one works for you. The one we're going to be using is the AI text to image. That's the second one, so you're going to click on it. Now this prompt I'm going to be using for you is a master prompt for creating amazing logos. So even if you decide to do it as a business, you always have a prompt to use. I already dropped this particular prompt in the description, so feel free to grab it. So now you can see it has a lot of image tools that you can use: Cling Image, Grok, Seedream, Google Nano Banana, and a lot more. So just pick whichever one you want to use. So for this one, I'm going to be using the Google Banana, that's Nano Banana, and then I'm going to drop my prompt here. So for this one, I am creating it for a brand called Glow Haven, and it's a skincare and beauty. So just go to my description to get this prompt because it's amazing. Now you can come to style and then you can pick whichever you want depending on the mode you're trying to use for your logo. So I'm just going to pick this cinematic, and then we're going to scroll down. If you have a reference image you want to use, feel free to do. If you don't, leave it. Like me now, I don't have, so I'm just going to cancel this. I'm not uploading. And then you come to your resolution and pick the one you want. I'll be doing 4K because I want really good quality. Then you can come to your aspect ratio and pick whichever one you like. I'll do 4.5, I think. So when you have everything you want, check the image count. I'll do 2, so I have options of checking which one is good. And then when you're good with everything, just click on generate and then allow it to generate. So I'll just wait for this to generate and then I'll come show you what we have. We're then going to pick one and then we're going to animate it. So guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? This is so beautiful. So you can decide to edit this, turn it into 3D, do whatever it is you want to do with it. Just be creative. So now that this is done, I'm just going to download this. And then I'm going to show you how you can animate it. So once you have your image, you can then edit it whichever way you want and improve upon it. Now that this is done, the next thing we're going to do is to animate our logo. So we're going to come back to our AI tools and we're going to click on AI video generator, which is always like the first option. Now when you come on here, come to this down part and then click on AI logo animation. Now when you're under here, you have different templates you can use to present your logo in a more fun way, so depending on what you want to do. So I'm just going to click on this particular logo template and then we're going to try it out. So you can see it has loaded. So all you need to do is to click on this upload, and then it's going to bring you to your media, and then you just need to pick up the image of your logo that you already downloaded and allow it to load up. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up and then we're going to click on generate. So now that it's loaded, we're just going to click on generate and then we're going to wait for it to process. So guys, it's done generating. Just take a look at this. Isn't that amazing? And then you can edit it whichever way you want. You can cut out some parts, add anything you want, so it makes it much more interesting. So guys, this is so nice. So instead of presenting your logo in a boring way, this is a good way to actually showcase your logo or to add it in your editings, like your video tutorials and all of them. So let me know if you'll be trying this. As I mentioned, the prompt and the link to this platform are all in the description, so just go there and grab it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.